Hi guys, today we're gonna make Matcha Basque burnt cheesecake. The Basque burnt cheesecake has been quite popular over the past few months, and since I'm a huge matcha fan, I've decided to make a matcha version of it. So if you're a fan of cheesecake and matcha, then keep on watching and learn how to make it. I promise it's very easy to make and no special mixes are required. So let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to soften the cream cheese at room temperature before you start. Then we'll cut the cream cheese into small pieces so it's easy to mix. Now it's time to add in the sugar. Now mix until it reaches a smooth consistency. It might look like they don't mix together at the start, but just keep mixing and they'll eventually combine and look like this. Now let's add in our eggs. We'll add one at a time and make sure it's fully incorporated before we add the next. You'll see the mixture slowly becoming smoother and smoother. Now let's set that aside and we'll need another bowl for our matcha cream. Let's slowly sift in the matcha powder. Now this is a very important step because who wants some matcha lumps in their cheesecake? Now once you've finished sifting the matcha powder, you can pour in the cream. Slowly pour the cream mixture into our cream cheese mixture from earlier. Mix them well and it should look like this, and then we can add in some cake flour. If you want your cheesecake to be super smooth and tasty, then you'll have to pour the mixture over a sieve. It will take a bit of time, but it'll be worth it. So once all the mixture is poured in, it's time to bake. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes depending on how it looks. If you want it to be more burnt, then bake it for a bit longer. After taking the cake out of the oven, cool it down completely and put it in the fridge for at least 5 hours. And there you go, that's how you make matcha Basque burnt cheesecake. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends if you want to make these with them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
'Cause babe